Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Saklan from Crypto Crazy. In today's video, I am going to tell you about all you need to know about the Ethereum merge and how would the Ethereum merge benefit its holders and what is the hard fork of Ethereum. This is the countdown to merge. 3 days, 17 hours and 21 minutes are left. In recent years, cryptocurrency has grown exponentially in popularity and usage. Unlike traditional fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies are not subject to government control or regulation. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure their transactions and control the creation of new units. Bitcoin, created in 2009, was the first decentralized cryptocurrency. Since then, numerous other cryptocurrencies have been created. These are often called altcoins, short for alternative coins. Ethereum is one such altcoin. The primary difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum is that Bitcoin is primarily a digital currency, while Ethereum is a decentralized smart contract platform. A smart contract is a digital contract that can be programmed to automate the execution of certain tasks. Ethereum's smart contract system has gained a lot of attention from developers and businesses alike because it has the potential to revolutionize how we conduct transactions online. Currently, there are two competing versions of Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. ETH is the version of Ethereum that includes a hard fork implemented to refund investors who lost money in the DAO hack. ETC is the original version of Ethereum that does not include the hard fork. Recently, there have been talks about merging the two versions of Ethereum into one. This would have many benefits for holders of both ETH and ETC. Number one benefit is a single unified market. Right now, there are two separate markets for Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. This can confuse investors and make it difficult to compare prices between the two versions of Ethereum. If they were merged back into one, it would create a single market for Ethereum and simplify price comparisons. Benefit number two is more stability. Having two separate markets also makes Ethereum more volatile overall. If there is bad news about either ETH or Ethereum Classic, it can have a ripple effect on the price of both assets. This is because investors may sell off their holdings in one asset to buy more of another asset that they perceive as more stable. This increased volatility could be mitigated by merging the two assets into one. Benefit number three, improved investor confidence. The split between Ethereum and Ethereum Classic caused a lot of bad blood between members of the Ethereum community. Many holders lost confidence in Ethereum as an investment after the DAO hack and the ensuing hard fork. If Ethereum and Ethereum Classic were to merge into one asset, it would show investors that the community is united and committed to move forward with a single vision of Ethereum's future. This could help increase investors' confidence and lead to more people invested in Ethereum. The conclusion is the proposed merger between Ethereum and Ethereum Classic would benefit holders of both assets. It would create a single market for Ethereum, making price comparisons simpler and increasing overall stability. Additionally, it would show investors that the community is united and committed to moving forward with a single vision for Ethereum's future, which could help increase confidence in the asset and lead to more investment. The hard fork of Ethereum. Ethereum, the world's second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, is planning to a hard fork or split into two different coins. The proposed hard fork is being led by a group of developers who are dissatisfied with how things are currently run. The developers proposing the hard fork believe that it will benefit all holders of Ethereum by making it more decentralized and increasing its scalability. So what is a hard fork? A hard fork is a software upgrade that creates new blockchain version that is incompatible with the old version. This means there would be two separate versions of the Ethereum after the hard fork takes place. Holders of Ethereum would need to choose which version they wanted to hold or trade. What are the benefits of the hard fork? The primary benefit of the proposed hard fork is that it would make Ethereum more decentralized. Currently, most miners are located in China, which gives them too much power over the network. The merge would also lead to increased scalability, as it would create a new version of Ethereum that could process more transactions per second. The proposed hard fork or split into two different coins would benefit holders of Ethereum by making it more decentralized and increasing its scalability. While some short-term disruptions may be inevitable, the long-term benefits outweigh the potential negatives. So this was all from today's video. Kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.